What's up, wonderful people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most unique and thrilling attractions in Indonesia, the Predator Fun Park in Malang. In today's video, we are going to take you on an epic journey through the park. We'll meet some of the wildest predator on the planet, check out the fun rides, and even learn about how these amazing creatures live in the wild. So if you're ready to unleash your wild side, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the adventure at Predator Fun Park in Malang, Indonesia. It's very not crowded, very quiet here. I think we are here on school days in Indonesia, so this is like Wednesday, Thursday. It's nice. We got the whole park for all of us. That's the entrance. As you can see, this is the alligator. I don't know what that is. So, yep, that's the toilet.
Why is it not crowded?
It's nice, right?
It looks scary.
It looks scary?
Yeah, because there's literally no one here.
Yeah, it looks like a haunted house. That one actually looked like a haunted house. It is a haunted house. Let's take a look really quick.
Oh, I remember you offered.
Oh yeah, it is a haunted house.
No,
That's a haunted house.
I don't want to go. 1921.
That's a haunted house. You guys want to try the haunted house?
Yeah.
Huh?
Wait, that's Nature Kids?
Alright.
We're the adopted.
Never mind, let's go. So this is the ticket area here. Is 60,000 rupiahs for person. 60,000 is about, so it's about $4. They have a lot of little stores here selling stuff, and maybe because we are early here, they are still closed. That's the entrance. Bunch of huge eggs, hatches eggs. Thank you. Alright, first we see the gallery of the alligator. So it says, do you know that alligator can change their teeth 50 times?
Is this actually skeleton?
This is probably not a real skeleton. Oh, is it real? No, it's not real. That's plastic. I really don't like this. This is a python.
Would you pet it?
No way, Jose. It says the alligator is one of the animal that never change since the evolution.
Snakes are the king of the jungles.
That's python eating alligator.
No, it's actually a lion. Because you know, sometimes when lions have no food to eat, they eat snakes.
That's real?
Yeah.
No, it's plastic.
They use the real one. How do they
No, it's plastic. Biawa. Oh, this is the one that we found in our house.
It's alive, it just bites you.
We found one in the house that we are
Ours
staying
is
in
a lot
Pandaan.
bigger.
It's about, yeah, it's bigger.
Way
Jawa.
bigger.
The alligator and the crocodile is selling foods.
How many?
Wow, this is a Muara crocodile, 4 meter long. Look at this one. This is Predator Fun Park. They are all playing music. Oh, so apparently this is real. Wow. This is a crocodile's gut. Wow, better lighting here. Crocodile's gut here. Look at this crocodile eating a deer. Woo. Don't mess with it. Oh, I see. This is a fake water, so it seems like this thing is in the water. And this crocodile actually can jump so high to eat a flying bird. Oh, I see. So you can take picture here, pretend that you are trying to get the crocodile. Guys, come here, guys. Wonder day. Give me. That's a big one. I remember 6 years ago we took picture here. Some of them are here chilling. It looks fake, but it's real. Buaya siam. Sangat. Whoa, di sini. Oh my goodness, it's very close. Oh my, it's like right in front of my face.
What if I kick the fence?
And
Look
then
at me.
you look at Papa.
Yeah. Whoa, that is very close. No, don't kick that. Don't kick.
No.
Wake up!
Hey, look, it's like right there. That's the porcupine. They are sleeping right now. And this is the monkey.
There's two capybaras.
Brown turf capuchin.
Look, there's two capybaras down there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Hi. Whoa.
And this is the otter. You guys see the otter, Cyan?
Oh yeah, Papa, look, there's a fat one.
Okay, 1 second, let me. More crocodile. Oh, it's right there. I remember we did a feeding crocodile 6 years ago. I hope we still can do that. I think this is the area where we feed the crocodile.
Yeah.
So we did this 6 years ago. We're gonna recreate 6 years ago photos.
You hold the head, you hold the tummy, yeah?
Yeah. Gak apa-apa ya, okay. Here's my. This is the piranha. Alright, let's see what we have here.
The water is very dirty.
The water is very dirty, that's correct. This is a giant rat.
Oh!
Wow, it is really big.
Is it a capybara?
It's called nutria.
Oh, I thought it was a capybara.
Ooh, they're so very smelly. And they are taking a bath right now, look.
So cute.
They're taking a bath. It's very close with us here. In America,
Whoa.
I don't think we can get that close.
Yeah. Hey, look at mommy.
I think so. This is a donkey area here. Hi! I don't know if I'm allowed to touch him. Can I touch him? Let me touch him. Don't bite me, okay? Don't bite me. Yo! Yep, okay, we're gonna try to feed the Arapaima gigas
Why
fish.
is it so big?
It's super big. So we spent about 5,000 for each. 5,000 rupiah, by the way. And Gabriel and Zan's gonna try to feed them. Ooh! We were able to feed the alligator. I was actually looking forward to be able to do it again this year, but fortunately they don't do that anymore. And I tried to find the old footage for you. They make it like a Wild West kind of decorations here. Big one right there. Oh, they have show here. And whoa!
Big.
Bro, they're so big. There's another one right there.
Which one do you think is bigger?
I do not want to drop my GoPro here.
That one looks
How about I drop
fatter,
you?
right?
Just kidding. Small fun part here where you can ride the trains. You can see a huge crocodile skeleton. Seems like there's a water park there too. Guys, there's a water park. I don't believe we have this 6 years ago. This is called Taman Selfie, meaning a selfie garden where you can take pictures. A lot of picture spot here.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Okay, we're recreating this photo again. You want to play trampoline?
Yes.
Oh my
Is it
goodness.
big
It's
or
for little kid, bro.
Oh, then never mind. Oh, basketball.
Yes.
Free, but you have to wear socks. So it's actually free here. The thing is, the only thing is you need to buy socks in order to get in there. Socks cost about 10,000 rupiahs. Yay! Alright, be careful, yeah? Alright, Zion's gonna try the family fun house. Be careful, alright?
Bet.
Bye.
Ya, makasih. Jadi cara mainnya diinjak, rutenya bisa ikutin tanda panah hijau yang ada di bawah lantai. Keluarnya bisa lewat tangga atau lewat selinjur. Oke, bisa? Paham nggak? Injak. Jadi ikutin panah hijau. Green. Oke.
I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness, I'm too old for this. I gotta change to a sport mode. How are you gonna pass this? I like this one better. Look at the stairs, it's moving around like this. It's very hard to climb up. Whoa! This is hard. This is like people's house. And the mountains. Enjoy! My turn. Are you guys down? Yes. My turn. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Too big.
I'm going back. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Alright, bumper cart. Let's go. This one just for kids. There you go. It's nice. It's very quiet. We come on the school days. There's no one here. I'm gonna try the kiddie train here. You see a water park here, not that big, but it's fun. So it's included with this 60,000 rupiah entrance. Well, you can play ball there, it's nice. This is the warrior who's going to the tomb of the warrior. Wow. Are you scared? No. Yeah. Zion is getting ready with the harness, the safety harness. Alright, Zion's gonna do this. Let's go, Zion. It's like zip line, Gabriel. This is like zip line. Woo! Let's go, Zil. Buang kalori, let's go. Wey. Ayo, Zil. Let's go. Wow. Kayang, Zil. Kayu, ya. This is the Crocodile. Let's go, Sayo. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This concludes our video here. Don't forget to like, share, consider subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.